Chronic wounds, a silent epidemic affecting up to 2% of the population in the industrial world. These stubborn and relentless wounds often defy conventional treatments, leading to prolonged suffering and significant healthcare costs. Meet Sarah. Like millions of others, she battles with a chronic wound that does not heal, disrupting her life and draining her hopes for recovery. But amidst the challenges, a beacon of hope emerges. The Force Repair Project, a collaborative project of 14 partners from across Europe, aimed at revolutionising chronic wound treatment. At the heart of this innovation lies the 3D printed wound dressing. This smart dressing not only ensures the distribution of therapeutic ingredients, but also restores the conditions of healthy tissue. After application to the wound, the dressing is treated with UV light to provide relief of skin tension. The first layer combats bacterial infections. The second layer reduces inflammation. And then the inner layer promotes healing. By doing so, it offers regenerative benefits for at least 15 days, all while reducing the need for daily nurse attention and increasing the probability of wound healing without reopening. Created with the newest advancements found in bioprinting and digitalization, Force Repair sets out to confront the limitations of existing therapies by introducing a personalized, multifunctional, and cost-effective solution. Beyond advancing chronic wound treatment, Force Repair is paving the way for a brighter tomorrow.